Now, before we go into reverse shells, let's look into what a shell actually is. So a shell is basically a command line interface where you can type commands and it returns output. So command line interface. So on Linux, that is the bash shell. On Windows, you have cmd.exe, and on Mac, you also have a terminal. So that is a shell. It allows you to control the computer through the command line, so through commands. So if you type commands like ls, it shows you the directories in the file. A command like date shows you the date. And basically, you can control your computer through the command line, through the shell. Now, the commands might differ if you're using Windows or Linux or Mac, but the Mac and Linux commands are almost the same. So that's a basic shell. So what we'll go into this course is how to access someone else's shell, so someone else's computer, through this command line interface, and then control their computer through the command line.